Oh, ito, mami. Relax ka sa feet mo. Ito.
Ay, ang bait na naman talaga ng batang to. Oh. Sige anak. Here's your tip.
Ito, dito.
Ay wow, ang bait ng bata yan. Oh. Parang niluluto mo naman ako eh. Ano, nililitsyon mo ba ako? Lechon baka. Mainit ba? Ah, pwede pa ang. Okay na Maverick, maluluto na ako dito. Kay daddy mo naman yan. Si daddy mo naman yung take care mo. Ang bait na bata yan. Oh. Yung pala gusto niya akong lutuin. Ah. Gusto mo akong lechon ah.
Yeah, but you luto me first. You taste game or something?
Ay,
You taste game or something?
stop Maverick.
Mommy, say this. You taste game or
My
something?
brain is not braining right
Mommy,
now,
can
okay?
you say this? You taste the
'Cause
game
it's
or
morning.
Something? Mommy, can you say this? You taste the game or something? Can you say that?
You think it's a gamer?
No, you think it's a game or
I
something?
sound like ano so.
No, you think it's a game or something?
Oh, inubaran mo na ako. Lilitsunin mo talaga ako.
Yeah. Malichon kita.
So guys, ang saya-saya dito.
Hindi,
You,
lechon
do you want to stay here forever? Huh? Do you want to stay here forever?
Yes.
Say bye-bye to your beautiful house na, oh. Go there.
Bye-bye. Mommy, want to sleep upstairs again in there?
O sige. Dali na lang natin yun sa house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dali namin.
Good idea.
Or
Ta-transfer natin
or
yun.
that's my new house.
Yeah.
Dali namin yung mga maker. Let's go to your